Sky Shield, how much does a new roof cost in Maryland? In Maryland, the cost of a new roof can vary depending on various factors. According to the latest data, the average price for a new roof installation ranges from $15,000 to $45,000. This cost includes materials, labor, and any necessary permits. Factors such as the size of your roof, the materials used, and the complexity of the installation can all affect the final price. It's essential to get a detailed quote from reputable roofing companies to ensure an accurate estimate for your specific needs. Before committing to a new roof, consider the longevity and durability of different roofing materials. While asphalt shingles are a popular and cost-effective option, metal roofs offer increased durability and energy efficiency. When planning for a new roof, don't forget to factor in potential additional costs for roof repairs, maintenance, and warranties. By investing in a quality roof now, you can protect your home and save money in the long run. Free roof inspections, www.skyshieldgc.com.